Hi guys, today I am driving to Rojak Kucei in Kuching, which is one of the favorite Rojak in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia. Let's go! We have arrived at Rojak Kucei in Batu Lintang. You can see the area. It's in Kuching. This Rojak Kucei is running since 1970s, so it's more than 50 years. You can see they have dine-in and takeaway. Come early in the morning so that you get to taste their rojak. Assalamualaikum. One rojak. Makan sini. Okay. So their rojak is in a very big cooking pot. You can see it's a very big pot. Very big pot, their broth. This is the pot they cook the broth. It's very big, you can see. And they are chopping the chicken. Like so good. And they poured the gravy from the pot. This is basically the Rojak Kucei. And you can see a lot of chicken is being cooked. It's like fried chicken. They cook it in very big pots. It's like amazing here. From early in the morning, people are coming here and eating the rojak. They are open every day from Monday until Saturday, except Sunday. And they are open from 7:30 AM until 1 PM. So let me give it a try. Bismillah. It looks really delicious. Everything is fresh. They make it every day. Bismillah. It's really amazing. It's sweet and the chicken is crispy and the broth is really delicious. So this is the tofu. Bismillah. And I'm seeing a lot of cucumbers here. There are bean sprouts, tofu, cucumber and chicken and some sort of veggies. The portion is quite good and it's only ringgit 9. So when you come to Kuching, try this famous Rojak Kucei.